How do I find the time difference between two datetime objects in Python? How do I tell the time difference in minutes between two datetime objects?
Just subtract one from the other. You get a time delta object with the difference.
Subtracting the later time from the first time difference equals later underscore time, first underscore time creates a datetime object that only holds the difference. In the example above, it is 0 minutes, 8 seconds, and 562,000 microseconds.
New at Python 2.7 is the time delta instance method .total_seconds. From the Python docs, this is equivalent to ltd.microseconds plus ltd.seconds plus td.day *24 3600 *10 *6 / 10 *6. Reference this URL.
If A, B are datetime objects, then to find the time difference between them in Python 3. On earlier Python versions, if A, B are naive datetime objects such as returned by datetime.now, then the result may be wrong if the objects represent local time with different UTC offsets, e.g., around DST transitions or for past/future dates. More details, find if 24 hours have passed between datetimes. Python. To get reliable results, use UTC time or time zone-aware datetime objects.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.